Are you discouragingly self-critical? Are you overconfident? Or are you fly at the seat of your pants kind of person? This video is regarding extremes. I'm a rigidly planned person. Everything has pros and cons. Even the extremes have pros and cons. So as I plan everything, if I'm too rigid, it may still work out, or probably does, as far as plans. And very rarely, I don't miss an appointment. But with that being said, I feel bad about myself. I feel heavy inside, and that's what extremes do. They make you feel heavy inside, even though you probably accomplished or succeeded your goal. But when I find that balance of planning, when I have the flexibility that it might not occur, and I can recover well, meaning if it doesn't occur, then I'm okay with it. That's the best kind of balance. And this might not make sense because, like I said in my previous video, I have a philosophical mind. Some, if not most of this stuff, comes to me in my mind. So I just made this up yesterday, or this last week. But every extreme has its pros and cons, and it's effective. But having that balance and trying to do your best has 2 times more pros. So that's my story. I'm sticking to it. Next week, on Tuesday, I will talk about friends, and on Saturday, I will talk about gossip. This is the wise, able, disabled guy signing off.